Hi, Melissa. Oh my gosh. I didn't see you there. How are you? I'm sorry, you caught me while I was blading. Oh, you can come on through. You can come on through. It's all right. You can come on. Welcome to the Flowerman. You're good. We're just filming a virtual tour. Welcome to my garden. Come and buy these beautiful sunflowers. They're not quite open yet, but if you give them just a little time, then I promise they're gonna look beautiful. So come with me and you'll see a world of pure imagination. All right, welcome to the cooler. This is our Centerville location. This is our retail cooler. So you can come in here any day of the week except for Sunday. We're open from 9 to 6. So you can come in here and buy whatever flowers are available. Over here, our amazing deal of the week. We have dahlias, $2 a stem. I can't believe it, you can't believe it. This is amazing. These are from local growers, Little Creek Valley. They are homies, they're amazing. They give us so many pretty petals all the time. They also supply us with these local bouquets, which are beautiful for any occasion. And aside from these things, you have ranunculus down here for $9.99 a bunch, and then red anemone, which are $9.99 a bunch, which is a crazy deal. So come on down, because you're not gonna wanna miss this. Over here, come on. You've got some really gorgeous colored fall mums. Perfect for the fall. If you look over there, we have some variegated mums, really beautiful. They kind of look like fire. We also have some amazing purple liatris here. It's really striking. They're amazing for a centerpiece if you're wanting to make a bold statement, just like me in these rollerblades. Come on over here. We've got roses, $9.99 a dozen, or 2 dozen for $15.99. We have some amazing delphinium. We have some crazy hanging amaranthus over here, which is a great accent for any arrangement. Let's see, what else do we got? We have some beautiful burgundy mums, which are also great for fall, along with some bronze spiders. Now these are things you cannot get any other time of year, okay? So listen close. You're gonna wanna come down. Sorry, I'm getting emotional. You're gonna wanna come down and get these flowers as soon as you can, because they're beautiful and they're gonna make any occasion perfect. So come on down to the Centerville location of the Flowerman and buy yourself some beautiful flowers.